35,000 followers, 4 years, and now it's gone. What is going on, guys? Justin OVO Update back again with another video. You guys read the title. Where have I been? Where's my Instagram? Did I disable it? Did I throw it away? Did Instagram take it from me? Did I get hacked? You guys want to know, so I'm gonna tell you. So it was a regular Saturday afternoon. The new store, OVO store in Calgary, just opened. So I was posting that all day, some stories promoting the new store. I was kind of off and on Instagram throughout the afternoon, checking up, seeing what's new, what's restocked. I saw the OG Owls and the Bape was actually at that store, so they got some good stuff, as well as the OVO Roots. But that's besides the point. I came onto the account around 1 o'clock without any warning from Instagram at all. They signed me out of my account, and then a thing popped up on screen saying, your account has been disabled, blah blah blah, please filter out this form if it was a mistake and it shouldn't happen. So at this point, I'm honestly just so confused. I'm like, yo, what in the world is going on? What did I do? I literally have just been posting my normal stuff that I have been doing for the past 4 years. I go to my email and I see 20 plus emails from Instagram, and every email said this photo breaches our privacy policy, our terms and conditions, you can't post this, you can't post this content. So I'm honestly so confused because I'm literally reposting photos that OVO posted. I'm posting photos from Google and stuff from OVO's website, promoting it, saying, yo, this is dropping tomorrow. I've been doing this for like 3.5, coming up on 4 years. So I was super confused. I was like, what's going on? Why is this just all happening now? And they didn't give me a warning. They could have easily said, yo, remove this photo, remove this photo. They just flooded my account all at once. Again, I got around like 20 emails, and then right after that, my account was disabled. So instantly, I was super upset. I was like freaking out. I'm like, yo, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? So I hit up Instagram. They gave me some appeal form to request a relook at my account and kind of give my reasoning on why it should be put back up and why I should get my account back. So I went through all that, and that whole process took around like 2 days, and I'm still waiting on like the final reply from Instagram and Facebook to see if I will get the account back. Honestly, I think it's super unfair. I was literally just reposting content that's already been put out there, so I don't really see what I did wrong. If anyone at OVO, Instagram, or Facebook is watching this video, please send me an email or hit my Instagram, link in the bio down below. As I want to thank everyone who's on here watching the video today, everyone that's followed me over to Twitter, everyone that's followed me on my personal page. I appreciate the support that you guys are still continuing to show me even through these tough times. I will always remember those crazy live streams we had, whether we were out front of OVO, listening to the Popstar live reaction. All those live streams, legendary shit, especially when the CLB dropped. We had like 500 people on there. Shit was crazy. But yeah, guys, that's what happened. My account is now disabled until I get the official word back from Facebook, from Instagram, if it's gonna be gone forever or I can recover it. So that's the update currently on the account status. Again, you guys could follow me on my personal page down below. I'm posting a lot of OVO content on my stories there as well. And then you guys want to follow my Twitter, posting everything first there. So the links for those will be in the description down below. 35,000 followers, 4 years, and now it's gone. It sucks. It's a shit feeling. But what can you do, right? You just got to keep pushing, keep moving forward. Again, the YouTube videos, I'm going to be pushing those out on a much more consistent basis. Alright, so quickly, I just want to add, a lot of people were asking, will I make another Instagram account? Honestly, right now, I'm probably not. I feel like I should just take a break, take a chill out. I've been doing it for like 4 years straight. But if we do come back 2021, we're gonna come back stronger, we're gonna come back harder. But the YouTube's the place to be, so drop a like, drop a subscribe. The YouTube channel is gonna be turning up 100%. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you did enjoy. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.